Brother Installing Officer, I take great pleasure in presenting to you Isaac Jones, who has been elected by the members of this chapter to serve as Master Counselor for the Installing Parent.
For the Master Counselor, I now present you with the gavel of authority and enjoin upon you the duty of wielding it with dignity, impartiality, and courtesy, never forgetting that though you are temporarily the chief among your brethren, you have only emerged for a brief time from the ranks, and to the ranks you will soon return.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Isaac Jones.
Hi, Isaac.
I'd like to start off with just saying something to my officers who've been installed. Serving as an officer is serving as an example. In a big way, you're like the candles, a beacon to guide others. Not only your brothers in the chapter, but your friends, and even other people ends.
Changes. Turn and face the strain. Changes. Don't wanna be a richer man.